Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Spring Porter with Spring Solutions LLC. In this very short video, I wanted to show you how to register with Pacer. So if you're new to bankruptcy unclaimed funds, you're new to my channel, you need to know that you have to go with Pacer.gov so that you can see, one, if the funds are still available, and two, you need documentation to supplement your application for unclaimed funds. And this is the way to do that is through Pacer. So if you're interested in knowing how to register, please stay tuned. Please note also, if you're new to my channel, that I am not an attorney. This information is not indicated as legal advice. This is strictly for researching purposes only. So you need to go to pacer.gov. That's your first step. You should become familiar with this site. So make sure you're on the home page and you just kind of scroll through here and maybe start clicking and reading things. Down here, it says frequently asked questions. That's always a good place to start. Free Pacer training. You may want to sign up for that. Free schedule. I have never had a Pacer training, to be honest. Again, if you're new to my channel, I've been a paralegal for about 10 years, and I just learned on the job with the attorneys. I didn't have a lot of time to go through this particular training. I just kind of know because I was forced to know. So I can't tell you what this training is like, to be honest. But it is helpful if you're brand new to this and you've never worked with legal documents or that type of thing. You may want to check that out. You may also want to take note of the email address here for their service center, the 1-800 number. If you get lost on this site or you're having technical difficulties, you can go to the contact us section and there's another email and there's 2 numbers out here that you can contact. So that is always helpful. So after you've become somewhat familiar with that basic information, you may want to go ahead and register here. And it's the second button. You're going to click Start. And then here, what would you like to do? So this is the registration type selection. You are viewing it. You're not e-filing anything, and you're not an attorney or working with an attorney's office. So click View. And please read through this registration disclaimer. It has important information discussing a Pacer and account and what you need to do, the registration form, because it takes time to get your login information at times, okay? And I'm thinking because of this pandemic and their limited maybe access to certain court documents, it may take a little bit longer. So you may want to be aware of that. There is no registration fee for Pacer, but obviously they do charge you to, download information. And down here it talks about the free training again. And there's also a Pacer user manual that you may want to become familiar with if this is new to you. So you read through that and then you click continue. And then it brings you to this site here. Again, at the top it tells you case search only. So you can double check to make sure you're not e-filing anything. And then down here, you just want to plug in everything they ask for that you have. If you are incorporated and you're doing this as a business, you may want to put your business name here. And at this point, you would click next and it will prompt you to put in your credit card information. So you just continue on. If they give you a receipt number or something, make sure you check your email for when you're going to get your login. And once you do that and you do get your login, make sure you go here back to the main page. And when you click login, that's when you will put in your username and your password. And you move forward like that with the case number that you're trying to review. So I am creating a course, as I've stated before. I am going to be putting pieces of Pacer in there so that it becomes more familiar with people who are brand new to my channel. There is going to be some overlap between what is in my YouTube channel and what is going to be in my course. There has to be, because I'm using the funds locator, I'm using Pacer. You're going to see similar things. There may be some background information about bankruptcy that's going to be there. But my course is going to offer everything in sequence from start to finish. You'll be able to kind of jot down what the steps are. And it has to be that way because there may be some people that have not found me on YouTube at all and they're brand new to it. So they're going to want to know, first thing first and then second and third. And then I will be including contracts and templates of letters and that type of thing. So all of that will be available in the course. I am still working on that. Please stay tuned. A big shout out to everyone that has donated money to me growing this channel. I really appreciate that. It means a lot. Some people donated via PayPal and cash. my Cash App. I appreciate that. That information is in the description box to this video. I am also going to be still doing coaching calls if you want to do that. That's $85 for 40 minutes. If you want me to review a case with you, you found someone and you got them under contract, that's great. But now you need a little bit more help. I will be glad to do that for a flat fee of $200. So all that information is going to be in my description box. My email address is the best way to reach me. If you run into any other issues, please let me know. I thank you again, and I will see you in the next video.